Hi, I'm Dennis from Accountants Desktop. In this video, I'll walk you through our workpaper solution for your annual accounting jobs. We call them JobPapers because they're an all-in-one workpaper solution for a specific job type. You can view any specific part of this video by using the links below to jump straight to that section. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up below and don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Here are some of the unique features of our working paper solution. It's just a single multi-sheet Excel file, which you download from our website and save with other client records in your document management system. Importantly, you can keep all your working papers for the client for the year together in one file to streamline processing and to make reviewing easier. Each worksheet in a JobPapers file has minimal protection, giving you maximum flexibility in the way you work. You can type in any blank cell, paste screenshots anywhere, do your own calculations in empty cells, and add ticks and crosses to simulate paper processing. You can also use Excel's design features to make your file come alive with shapes, icons, callouts, and much more to make it easier to follow your work. And importantly, once downloaded, you have possession of the file forever, free from external logins and subscription expiry dates. Compatible information can be exported in Excel format from all the major accounting systems and also from the ATO portal. And that data can be easily imported into your working paper file using our import Excel routine. Or you can manually load Excel data by simply copying and pasting the relevant cells. Any other data can be added by pasting screenshots, although Excel data is by far the best way to populate your file. Using Excel data rather than screenshots means you can work with the numbers using standard Excel features. The file comes preloaded with our standard templates for the job and entity type. And if you use a PDF editor, you'll have the perfect paperless working paper solution for your annual accounting jobs. Your PDF will include the bulk of your documents, and our Excel file will do all your calculations and have screenshots of any PDFs where needed. This is a sample JobPapers file for an annual accounting job for a company. By far the best way to navigate around this file is by using the customised accountants menu at the top of the screen. You'll see that menu when you first open the file. The dashboard is where you can see a summary of the contents of the entire file. It also contains links to all the worksheets. A green tick alongside any item means that sheet is in use. The job management section displays the total number of items in each sheet, along with the number outstanding where applicable. The accounting and tax reports section show the reports in use, and in the case of the accounting section, the number of unreconciled and reconciled items in each report. The dashboard also has a list with links to our preloaded calculation templates for the job and entity type. And finally, there are links to a large number of unprotected DIY sheets that you can use for any other purpose. Let's now preview some of the worksheets. You can use this admin pre-job checklist for those admin tasks required before the work commences, and the admin post-job checklist after it's been finished. Both of these checklists can be customised to suit the individual needs of your practice. This procedures checklist contains a comprehensive list of suggested procedures for the particular entity type. Once again, you can customise this to suit your needs. And while the job is in progress, you can use this to-do list to keep track of what needs to be done and this query sheet to chase up missing information. When you're ready to send these queries to the client, simply copy and paste the query and response columns, including headers, into your email. The client can reply by inserting answers in the response column. And each item in the to-do list and query sheet allows you to select any related record from the record sheet from a drop-down list, and a link will be inserted for easy lookup. This communications sheet will allow you to insert screenshots of any job-related emails or type a summary of telephone conversations with the client, and use this file notes sheet for any other job-related notes or screenshots. As you complete each procedure in a job, you'll accumulate supporting records, which among other things will be used to review the reports from your accounting system. You save these records in this records sheet. We recommend pasting Excel-based data into this workbook wherever possible, and any other records will generally be added as screenshots. For both types of data, enter reconcilable balances at the table on the left-hand side of the screen. When you get to the review stage, you can select these records from a drop-down list, and their balance will be displayed for comparing to the balance in the financial report being reviewed. You'll see an example of that shortly. Also, as already mentioned, any item listed in this sheet can be selected in both the to-do list and the query sheet with a link back to the record. There are several sheets for accounting reports and tax reports and statements. In our sample file, we've loaded a revenue summary report from the ATO portal, an integrated client account report also from the portal, a profit and loss statement from the client's accounting system, and a balance sheet also from the client's accounting system. And at this screen, I've completed a review of the trial balance, matching figures in the report from the accounting system with amounts from supporting records in the record sheet. And you'll see links back to each record for each of these items. For each reconciled item, I've selected the record from a drop-down list. The amount I entered at the record sheet appears for checking with the amount on the exported trial balance. I can review that record by clicking on the link. I've then ticked each reconciled item to update the dashboard. The last part of this demonstration shows how to reconcile GST using the accountant's desktop template preloaded to the job paper. The process involves exporting a profit and loss report from your accounting software in Excel format and importing or pasting it into this sheet. In the sample file on screen, I've already imported the profit and loss statement. At the summary at the top of the sheet, I've entered the relevant amounts from the profit and loss statement. If applicable, you also enter any capital items here as well. To exclude items not subject to GST, I've recorded those amounts in the table below. In the summary at the top of the screen, the expected amounts of GST collected and paid will be calculated and reduced by any amounts that do not include GST. That reduced total will then be compared with amounts entered at the base summary. When finished, the summary will show reconciliation balances which are either zero or within your tolerance levels. Otherwise, these differences need to be resolved. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give it the thumbs up below, and don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. My details are shown on the screen, so please feel free to contact me for any further information.